Hello, I tea for me. We be about Carma Entertainment Zone. So, and then they can channel services, subscribe, like it. Now, comment down below. We Carma Entertainment Zone. The name still remains your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar. Today, you better share something about Sefwi Boinzan. A small town, which is 47 kilometers drive away from the regional capital of Western North. Waterfalls newly discovered. Sefwi man. Yankoshe Adum TV news Sefwi Boinzan Embra.
Adum TV kase yegu so ayede ema wo yemfe ani nkyerem wo Sefwi Boinzan na enso efiri nyame ani ba de kan se waterfall no ebi ewo ho na omanfo pese omode to aban nim se be yanko ontwa nani emehwe omo no mu ntrim se de be ya foforo so betimi aba na abehwe se akwansra e betimi diskan so etimi aba
ewo mati undeveloped waterfall abepie mu ewo Sefwi Boinzan no wo jabo so mansinim ewo atoye atifi mantemasi Ochemu se adi beda no ma cheye pa na so keme se penfo ani enya ema ho eti abranu bia no emagunu a wo Boinzan ani kotu awdo aka no eya wo ba ha sei ebe du woni kakra na so ba bia du de wo srese ebe ya ankampenfo enfo ni mehwe se na ebe ya wo be sie bia yi aboa ama mpuntu aga na yehye no atumi aba in terms of tourism
Not long ago Sefwi Boinzan had this share it's me about more than discover waterfalls. Waterfalls Sefwi Boinzan located at Western North. Yes. Now at this share no edit to Adum TV anim say ohia aban sponsorship and then private companies are with me I then have so much and said waterfalls with my one of the tourist site Western North region, because at first we did Kasafa the mechanism Bia National Park, that is also a tourist site. I am also located at Western North. Yes, like 30 minutes drive away from the district capital, which is Sefwi. Yes, and this one is waterfalls. Yankoshe adishe almost Sefwi Boinzan once a month to Adum TV.
Miami Abebre, Aban Akumaya or Moa. The best dress Aban Beba and Strabem no Abeboa. Now or bad the other Madio, the Adumia Boinzan Hano. Timi I Carma.
Yamabune Ukruma, Mantiane Mabawa. Ya wo Davoso district ade. Yanisha adi hupa ne se dane dai benyupi amana boye for say waterfalls. Because the waterfalls we na ye different from the meme hu nyina
adom kase ene wahene a owo Sefwi Boinzan na ofori ahenkan a otoso emienu atwetwe enkomo
ye bebo modern say enya de a ye be mo bia disturb the sources of this waterfalls. That is one thing I can assure the whole nation say enya de a ye be mo bia disturb the sources, but eno akire no is in its raw state. It made me feel say tourism planning for eba ha omo abehwe no on be advice yen na yen so ye hu anamwa ye betimi eke
ni nyina mu no opanyina ono na woda tourism authority na no ewo atoye atifi mantem ha sei market Kimbo enso ene adom kase atwetwe nkomo.
We are going to work with you. We are going to carry our message across to our head office, and it's going to receive attention, and I believe it will not be long. We will see things happening here. Once the community is not ready to support, we are also going to offer the necessary, support that we have in terms of resources to make this place a visitable attraction in the region.
So this is Boinzan waterfalls. Obetumi alcohol now so do we akosha de ewo ye Sefwi Boinzan. Sefwi Boinzan ofri Accra ba you go to the regional capital, which is Sefwi also. It's not far away from Sefwi also. Yes, so that is Sefwi Boinzan for you, and this is newly discovered waterfalls. If you are around this area, you can also go there, go check it out by yourself. If you want us also to go there and make a video about that, kindly comment that in the comment section. Remember, this is your favorite boy, Sticky the Superstar, and this is Carma Entertainment Zone for you. Remember, this section is the discovery section. Today I'm wearing TTI outing because there is a new program coming out. That is why I'm wearing my outing. If you also want to rep your school, kindly drop your school name in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.